their libero and their middle blocker in Cruz.
In the meantime, first point of the match belongs to Capital One on his service ace.
That was the first service ace, Krasnogor.
And we're just beginning to fill up this place here in Victorias City. It's about 45 minutes away from the airport, about an hour away from Bacolod. In the meantime, Micaela Bilen, earlier, Lexi Rodriguez was the one who chatted with her. This first strike, ang hirap din bantayan talaga ng Kaliwete. That's why Tubo is so hard to stop in that pin.
And minsan din sa mga opposite sets, if you're a left-handed spiker, it's usually low and fast. Kaya napapansin natin, madalas na iiwanan sila one blocker lang na
Riri Meneses, the former UST center of power, because she was manning that middle so well. That's blocked, but kept it in play, and they swing it high. And as sinasabi ng mga coaches, when you give a free ball, make it sky high. But this blast, handled well by the back row. Back row attack, no problem. First long rally, ginawa ng paraan ni Tubo. Quick. Magmimerienda ba muna tayo? Matapos ito. Ayun, kept alive. Tagal ito.
oh, still alive.
Oo nga. Tubo. Romero.
Wow,
Ha?
good defense.
10 passes na ito. Ha? Mahigit. Sige. Dikit sa net. Nabor. Adjust.
Oh, nabitin!
Oh, yes.
But nagawa ng paraan. We saw her approach na hindi niya ina-expect yung pipe attack na yun.
First time we're seeing in the PBL yung si Bernadette Pepito, no? One of the shining stars of UST. Oh, butas. Right here. Ito yung sinasabi mo.
Na-late na yung middle blocker ng Fox.
System nag-fail doon. Somebody was not in a proper position there. Track down. And it's on the floor. Frankfurt gets it. Fourth point. Balance of veterans and young blood in any team. In the meantime, this is a fake that throws off the Capital One defense. And who else than the veteran, Cesc Molina. Tobino will be in the spotlight to serve. 14-11. Good stretch for the ball from the back row. Too hot.
Ganda ng back row na yun for Royce Tobino. Back-to-back points for Farm Fresh.
Meron certain muscles sa volleyball you really don't need it. But this one, she's perfectly toned for the game now. Kaya lakas ng output niya. In the meantime, the set. Good set up. Tinaas. Hinabol ni Pepito. Sinara ang pinturo.
That was a very good block for Farm Fresh. Sarado yung cross court.
Gold medalist in the Brazil men's national team and the Olympics. Needing a timeout. Okay. Didn't know that. Anyway, here comes the serve.
Oh, good serve.
Just right into the middle. Uy, hindi na palo. Riri is the fake. The dig and Pahan scores neatly. We're tied at 15.
You will see here kung gaano kalayo yung defense nila. Kaya naman laki ng butas ng behind the blockers. Relax lang sila. Hindi sila na-pressure. They got one point at a time. And parang na-pressure pa doon yung Capital One dahil na-feel nilang humahabol na yung Farm Fresh.
Tinos sa likod. Hinabol ni Tobino. Itinaas ni Tololada. Tinaas. Really gets to it. Here comes the set. The attack. Off the hands and that'll score.
Inside the court. Ang ganda na pinapakita nila mga set plays dito. That was it.
Jasna Gore in the spotlight. That's served. Picked up by the back row. This one manages to find a way through. Courtesy of Trisha Tubu. That's why he's a man and this large smile. He says,
Oh!
Si La Rosa now just gave them a 2-point lead. Inside the open spot, Tubo connects again. It's 2019.
Take a look at this. Then na-late din. Actually, yung middle blocker ng Capital. But now she's in the back row. Good first ball.
Up. And
I think that was the second time na nag-slide attack itong si Cherry Nunag. First, Aragalang now in for Farm Fresh.
first time ni Ara to see action. Pinalo. And too hot to handle. 4-point lead on the threshold of probably taking the opening set. Covino stretching to it, and it's now set point. Aragalang now serving.
Oh,
Very deep on that one. Here comes a free ball from Adorador. Airborne. Tubo gets to it. Reversed by Romero. Caught nicely that time. And that'll work. And we are done with the first set.
good first set here for Capital One. Ganda ng start nila. They were able to close this first set.
Brought to you by Yakult. With proper diet and exercise, panalo ka dyan. Every day, okay. This first set ends at 25. As PBL on tour comes to its conclusion here today. First attack.
One-handed dig.
Lumipad. Inabot. And napatasan sa likod. And Pepito unable to keep it in play.
Look how fast this is. Hinayaan niyo muna tumalon si Rhea bago niya sinet yung bola. Kaya rin na late yung blocker.
Don't forget, later on in the afternoon, Galleries will face Creamline. And this one is still in play. Nabor sets this up. And airtight defense now by Farm Fresh, sealing it, and they're ahead.
Bilis na dating ng bola sa kanya. Kaya nabantay na rin siya ni Trisha Tubo.
Late na, no?
1-1.
Alam ko to. As a spiker, I know exactly where she's going. Here comes that slide play. 3-0 count from the back. Kept very much alive. Back row attack version. It is called as hitting the floor. The serve at 2-3. Caught. Reverse. Into the corner that time. And out of reach.
For Farm Fresh.
Point, they really do need to also fire up and sort of pull some tricks out of their sleeves, and hopefully Jazz will be up to that challenge. Back to
Mukhang 3 generations yung picture na yun. Oh, tulis na tulis.
That was Kai Cepada's first point.
Yeah.
Over ball.
That's now going to be 5 straight. It's 18-13.
Yeah, it's going to be tough for Nabor because she's in the back row.
Yes, we've adjusted our score as well. 19-14. Quick set.
Oh.
Combination play on target.
That was the first combination play from the Farm Fresh Foxies.
Huwag mong gagalawin yan. Here comes Madrigal. Caught by Galang. Big shot. Ganda ng basa. Hataw niya. 1, 2, 3. Wala na. Late ka na.
Yeah. And nakita na rin Capital One, so that was a good target for her.
21-15 tally here. Dink. Kept in play by Polinada. Iris gets to it. Galang shoots away. Coming together in this game, ano? Pepito, the youngest, the rookie. Aragal. Jan serve. But got that off the block.
Ganda ng iwas na ni Ces Molina. Going to her direction.
Farm Fresh 2 points away from tying up this match at 1 set apiece. That's caught. And what a slide on the floor by Pepito. Out of reach, and we arrive at set point. Nicely done.
Ang ganda ng quick hit na yon.
24-18, 1 set point save. Dikit sa net. Hinabol ni Urbina. Inatake. Yes! 2 straight points. Layo-layo. Pagkatagal-tagal. Gusto mo nang matapos yung second. Capital One. Ito naman. Dikit tayo sa net. Cross. Is one. Against the grain there. Urbina says, keep it up. Kombinasyon. And we're done.
Diniin na lang ni Mylene pa at sa cross-court yung palo na yon. There was no cross-court block.
Philippines, #1 sugar supplier to many countries. In the meantime, back to sports. And quick point scored by Farm Fresh. And just a quick generator and source of points. Hop, nicely lifted by Galang. Back row at work. Ito,
Hindi na abot si Genesis.
kita mo yung mga officials doon. Hayaya. 2-zip. Uy, nagagawa yun. Into the back. Row. Good set. Huli. Ganda
good
ng
block.
block.
Yes.
Jimenez. Naku, ba't may kamay na dyan?
Naunahan na siya ng
Naunahan
blockers.
na siyang blocker. And sometimes you spikers low it, no? Ay, wala na eh. Nakalipad ka na eh. Ang lalim ng palo. Diin.
Nice block pa rin.
Oo. Ito! Nandun, pero kinapos lang ng kapiraso. Says Madrigal, serving.
Good serve.
Uy, over. Regalo, hindi na ibaon. Off the hands. Chance to attack here. Huli ka! Saan ka pupunta?
Naunahan din ng blockers.
All that length.
And ang ganda rin ang pwesto niya. Kahit na humahabol lang siya yung pwesto ng braso niya.
Enough to bother the concentration of the spiker. Yung receive also affects your defensive system eh. Oh, they finally got out of that hole.
She did tell me that they play more relaxed. They play a bit more better when it's during the on-tour because while this is, a preseason thing for them, there's less pressure that's going on. I'm sure, Paneng, you've had experience with, let's say, the PVL. And what do you think when, you're playing on a real conference and it's an on-tour season?
Tatlo ang lamang ng Capital One. Tabla ang sets natin. And they finally end that long stretch, score a point after 3 straight was scored by Capital One. Farm Fresh.
Off the hands of the blockers.
Pikot ng kamay din ni Tricia Tubo. 13-12 po tayo. Twisting set.
Oh, that was too near.
Alanganin, Pinalo. Doon na lang natin idaan. Parang second setter na rin
Yes, usually kasi pag yung setter makakuha ng first ball, the question is who will get the second ball?
It should be parang automatic on the side. Egg on his team. Ay, dikit. Problemado. Ginawa ng paraan. Tinaas. Inabot. The set. The attack. Blocked. Lifted high. One more time around the block. Got to it. The crowd creeping into the action. Tagal-tagal ito. Second longest rally here.
Oh, tight set.
Ginawa na lang. Inover na lang. Hindi pinilit.
Oh! That was a smart move by Niegos.
Lambutan kaya natin yan. Hello! 6 straight points. Habang run ito. Belen and the others not playing today. Oy!
Over ball.
And they get a point by the oddest of ways, but they'll take it just to end that drought. Either double contact and catch and throw. Ang dalawa lang yan. Wow. Look at this. Capital One arrives. 24-19.
Nice serve.
Ganda ng direksyon. inside. 1 set point save. Big 7-0 run in this third, creating this gap in favor of Capital One.
Mababa yung set.
Yes, it was. This one is inside.
They had a good first ball as well.
24-22. Sloppy passing there.
Oh, good defense by Galang.
Nabor. And that should do it.
All ended by that opposite hit by Kai Cepada.
Who has been a contributor here in the third set for Capital One. Fourth set, watch this last sequence, the final point. Farm Fresh managing to save 3 set points, but we'll take a short break to prepare you all. Get rest dito sa fourth set para hindi na mangyari yung mangyari sa third set.
Well, I think they had a lot of errors then nung third set, and one of the evident errors na nakita natin medyo naka-affect din sa parang focus nila. Hindi nila
Parang naapektuhan sila talaga.
hindi nila alam kung saan ba talaga sila dapat pupwesto. But I think important thing as well is after that, they were able to talk things out and naging okay yung pwestuhan nila, but not until naging okay na yung set plays ng Capital One.
Hindi malaman kung ano sasabihin. So then Coach Koji just said, okay, that's enough. We get back on the court. Let's sort it out. This one in play. Onto recovered nicely that time by Durendes. Nice set. But recovered by the back row. The strike. Yes, it's 3-0.
Good start by Farm Fresh.
Good catch. Paraginot is now the setter for Capital One. Here she is. The tap. To no avail. Picked up nicely. Back row strike. Here comes this attack.
Oh!
And Tubo knocks it in.
And take a look at this.
Ganda ng pitik eh, oh. Ganda ng dami ng catch and throw sa araw na to. Nako, alanganin.
Oh! Miscommunication.
3 ball ito. Hindi. Palo. Maragino. Palo. Yes, into an open spot. And saka matutulog din kayo. Roommates yung iba. Ugali ng bawat isa nakakikilala. Look at this. Farm Fresh re-establishing its authority in this game. Now, Tinaas. Off the block. Picked up by Marina. Pushed into that open space. Just happened to them time and again. This battle. But to be fair, it's a Rosara.
Service ace. Good start for
No, she did not.
Farm Fresh for this game.
Ronquillo has been brought back in anew for Capital One. This serve long. Oh! It looked long. And new players do that. Sinong bagong pasa? Sinong bagong
Yes, usually dun tina-target ka agad.
Sinong bagong pasa? And
Oh!
second technical timeout has arrived.
If you're Farm Fresh naman, you have this much lead. 10 points. Hindi mo napapakawalan to, especially you're down by 1 set.
On the other hand, if you're Capital One, yes. Serves. Very deep. Oh,
Yeah.
look at this, an ace.
Nakadalawa siya kanina.
Oh, magkasunod pa no? Back
Yes.
to back. Ooh. Resanova will serve. Leading by 11. It flies down.
Oh,
That's long. Chance.
oh.
Yes. Bela. It's that power eh. It's
Yeah.
how to use the hand really. Pwede. Uy.
Nice set.
Nice coverage. Nice set. Low.
Oh, nice target.
Oh, ganda na. Kita mo sa kamay eh, no? Kita mo sa kamay na kasalok pababa eh.
Short ball.
Oo. Tagulo kayo dyan, sabi ni Louie. One more time around the block.
I think the set was low for Arce.
24-12, set point. One set point save. And here we go.
Yes.
Why not? As sweet as the sugar from these parts, we're going to a delicious fifth set to decide on who will take this game on tour. Ito. Ano na no? Even Steven ito.
Yes.
Do everything you can within your capability. 1-0 kagad. That's a good start.
Gaganda rin ang mga depensa ni Ara.
Oh, she's played a great all-around game. Regalo burned by Riri Meneses. Close to the net. Nagulat. Pati Capital One. Jump set. Perfectly done.
Trisha Tubo on fire.
Here comes Meneses serving at 3-1. Huli. Walang humabol.
Malayo yung bounce ng bola.
Sobra. Here's Genesis. It crawls over the net. And you've got a friend called the net.
Good first ball.
Good catch. Bam!
Oh!
Yeah. And that good first ball created the Iris Tolenada. Good set. Naku, hindi na. Diinan. Iris chased it down. Oh! Pad says, take that!
I want to see that again because that one is a tough angle for Mylene Paat.
Twist. Iris. Nice. Reverse. Boy, she has been one of the factors why they're leading 8-4 right now. Change sides here. Ay,
Oh,
Nunag.
yes. Slide attack once again.
Tapos yun, dapat kanina pa finifeed yan eh. Here's Adorador. Kept in play by Rodrina. Oh! Every volleyball player gets that.
Take a look at that down the line hit. And ang taas din ang daan ng bola.
Sabi ni Ara, gising ako. Gising. Tinaas. Yes! That'll work. Sinisigaw muna siya bago siya mag-serve.
Pampakalma yun.
Ayaw, papakalma ba yun? Off the hands. And look at this, Farm Fresh just turning on the heat here.
Timeout, Capital One.
Capital One will use a timeout and just a short while, Creamline and Galleries get entangled.
Oh!
Juan Gonzalez or Yellow Stamero will bring that to you.
Getting a service ace once again.
Number 2. May pagkalaki siya.
And ang gaganda ng targets niya. Those are not easy balls. Loaded pa rin kahit short ball.
Ayun, kaya siya yung service master nila. Pero that's neatly done. Well done. Hit against the block.
Meron dito ang Farm Fresh. Take a look at that last hit again ni Cepada. Talagang inantay niya yung braso ni Mylene Paat. But Pino Maraginot is one of the better servers for Capital One. That was a sharp serve.
Tubu. Nice recovery.
Good dig.
It's Galang again. This is out of reach. But we have arrived at match point. Match point tayo.
Easy serve.
One hand on it. Chance to finish it up. No, not yet. And we are done. Oh, ito. Partner. Ay.
Meron ba?
Ay. Sige.
There was a block touch.
Sige. In the future, if we are loaded Capital One teams when they have everybody back. And we are done. I don't think we're going to have an argument or a challenge with that. So Farm Fresh with a 5-set win.